How to fix WeChat app unusual network problem. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. So first thing first, you have to make sure that you have updated your WeChat application. Head over to your Play Store and here simply search for WeChat. Now here, if your application shows open, that means your application is already updated. Just in case you see update, tap onto update and update your app. Now next step, open up your settings. Scroll all the way below until you see the option of apps. Open your apps, then again search for WeChat. Once you find WeChat, tap onto it. Go for storage and here clear the cache. If you know your credentials, you can also tap on clear data and clear the data. Now come back onto app info page, tap on force stop here, then OK. Once it's all done, restart your device, get logged into your WeChat account, and see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working for you, then here is the last thing you can do. Long tap onto your WeChat application, tap on uninstall, and reinstall this again. Once done, you have to get logged into your account again, and that shall definitely fix it. So thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then don't forget to like and subscribe.